There is one coin that has recently fascinated Wall Street more than any other, and that coin is Ripple's XRP. This coin comes at a time when digital currencies are disrupting traditional financial conventions. The rumors have escalated into yells, and some people have predicted that the price of XRP will reach an absolutely staggering $10,000. However, what factors constitute such an optimistic forecast? Is this nothing more than wacky speculation? On the other hand, is there a concrete basis for such figures? The variables that have the ability to catapult XRP to heights that have never been seen before are dissected in this essay, which digs deep into the heart of the matter. Ripple and its digital currency, XRP, stand apart in the competitive cryptocurrency industry because of the distinctive approach that they take to resolving issues that are encountered in the real world. With the exception of a great number of cryptocurrencies that have arisen as alternatives to conventional money, XRP was developed with the aim of catering to the needs of the financial services sector. It offers a practical benefit that many cryptocurrencies do not have, which is the ability to conduct expedited monetary transactions across international borders with minimal fees. It is not just about speed, but also about scalability, as the ledger of XRP can handle up to 1,500 transactions per second. This capability presents it as a possible backbone for modern finance, particularly in sectors such as international banking and remittances, where the mechanisms that are now in place are slow and cumbersome. Furthermore, Ripple's engagement with financial institutions all over the world not only increases the utility of XRP, but also fully integrates it into the current financial systems. This is in contrast to many of its competitors, who operate somewhat outside of the mainstream of the financial industry. Everyone's attention has been drawn to the ambitious $10,000 mark per XRP, however this target did not appear out of thin air. The analysts who have been witnessing the increased use of XRP by key financial entities and its integrative technological developments have been the primary drivers of this statistic. An earthquake-like shift in expectations and confidence in cryptocurrencies as a mature investment instrument is represented by the prediction. Blackrock and other major financial institutions have voiced their belief that cryptocurrencies like as XRP have the ability to completely transform the current financial landscape. The importance of these endorsements cannot be overstated. They add credibility to the product and generate tremendous interest among retail and institutional investors alike. With that being said, it is of the utmost importance to acknowledge that such forecasts also include significant stakes and aspects of speculation. In order for XRP to reach $10,000, it would be necessary for favorable rules, technological breakthroughs, and market circumstances to all come together in a perfect alignment. Because of the participation of powerful financial firms such as Blackrock, XRP is seeing a significant step forward. The fact that they are interested in blockchain technology and digital currencies is an indication that they are prepared to incorporate these innovations into conventional modes of financial management. In the case of XRP, this signifies not only endorsement, but also the possibility of widespread adoption, which has the capacity to significantly alter the dynamics of its market. It is possible that other institutions will be inspired to increase their Bitcoin portfolios or begin investing in cryptocurrencies as a result of BlackRock's research of cryptocurrencies. It is possible that this will result in an increase in demand, which will then lead to a greater valuation for XRP. A confidence boost among investors is not the only benefit that comes from the support of such institutions. Whereas it also brings in a new group of traditional investors who are interested in the cryptocurrency industry. It is impossible to overestimate the impact that this institutional support has had all the way through the system. As a result, it serves as a solid validation of the usability of XRP and its potential to play an important part in the progression of finance in the future. A closer look at the technical characteristics reveals that the price trajectory of XRP over the years has followed a pattern of dramatic peaks followed by phases of calm. This is a quality shared by a number of digital currencies. However, it is especially prominent with XRP due to its distinctive market position and its sensitivity to news-driven transactions. Compared to the huge fluctuations that occurred in the beginning, recent patterns indicate that there has been a gradual growth in trading volume and price stability. The reason for this might be linked to increased institutional interest, as well as a wider acceptance within the realm of financial contracts. If the overall market conditions continue to be favorable, technical indicators like moving averages, relative strength index RSI, and moving average convergence divergence MACD point to a bullish prognosis in the short to medium term. It is essential for everyone who is interested in investing based on the $10,000 prediction to have a profound understanding of these technical factors. Not only is it important to be aware of the highs, but it is also essential to be able to recognize when the market is exhibiting symptoms of consolidation or decline. Several fundamental principles are the foundation upon which the prospective growth of XRP is built. An important benefit is that it is primarily useful for easing the process of making international trade transactions. Ripple has formed a large number of partnerships with banks and other financial organizations all around the world. These collaborations ensure that XRP's technology is not only utilized but actively promoted. The continued development of RippleNet, which improves the interoperability and efficiency of transactions that take place across international borders, is an essential component in the implementation of XRP in the real world. The significance of these improvements lies in the fact that they lay a strong groundwork for the eventual expansion and greater acceptance of the digital currency. The demand for XRP is also being driven by the growing interest in blockchain solutions for financial services, which is becoming increasingly prevalent. While Ripple's technology is being adopted by an increasing number of institutions, the intrinsic value of XRP is anticipated to increase, which will contribute to the overall market valuation of the cryptocurrency. Both the potential utility of XRP and the speculative interest in it have a significant impact on the sentiment of the market and the conduct of investors that surround it. Investor behavior frequently vacillates between risk-averse sell-offs and exuberant buying sprees over the course of a portfolio. Especially in light of recent regulatory developments or trends in the market, acquiring an understanding of this emotion is essential in order to forecast price fluctuations. The way people think about XRP is significantly influenced by recent events in the financial sector and social media. There is a correlation between positive news and rapid price gains, as evidenced by previous rallies. On the other hand, suddenly falling prices can be brought on by unfavorable news or uncertainty over regulations. For investors who are contemplating purchasing XRP on the basis of the $10,000 projection, it is important to keep in mind the emotion of the market and the fact that it has the capacity to exaggerate price fluctuations in both directions. At the same time as the regulatory environment is an essential component for all cryptocurrencies, XRP is not an exception to this rule. There is a possibility that regulatory certainty will either catapult the currency to new heights or present significant obstacles. There are a number of locations in which the legal status of XRP is currently being investigated, which can have an impact on its potential for acceptance and utilization. Ripple's ongoing battle with the United States has recently seen some changes. Securities and Exchange Commission, also known as SEC, have had a direct influence on the price of the stock as well as the confidence of investors. A positive outcome for Ripple could lead to a big bullish trend for XRP if it meets with favorable conditions. Investors should keep a close eye on developments in regulatory policy since these developments not only have an impact on existing holdings, but also have the potential to determine the future environment in which XRP will function. Bitcoin and Ethereum are two of the most prominent examples of cryptocurrency. It is possible that investors who are wanting to diversify their portfolio would find XRP intriguing not only because of the possibility that its price may increase, but also because of the function that it plays in the expanding landscape of digital payments. Notwithstanding the positive scenarios, XRP is confronted with a number of risks and hurdles that have the potential to obstruct its path toward reaching or even surpassing the $10,000 barrier. Regulatory risks continue to be of the utmost importance, and ongoing legal fights continue to have the potential to influence investor sentiment and institutional utilization. It is possible that the value of XRP may rise, possibly breaking beyond the much-discussed $10,000 threshold. On the other hand, estimates that are more conservative take into account the effects of market saturation, the demands of competition, and the potential limitations of technology. Despite the fact that significant growth is anticipated in these scenarios, it is possible that it may not reach the heights that the most bullish estimates anticipate. When preparing their investment plans, investors should also take into consideration these various projections, making sure to take into account